Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to change letter cases on Microsoft Excel. Changing letter cases on Microsoft Excel is not as easy as changing letter cases on Microsoft Word. So I'm going to be showing you two ways on how to do that. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So the first method I'm going to show you is how to use formulas. So I have a list of names right here on Microsoft Excel. And as you can see, these names are in different letter case formats. So what if I want to make them all block letters? So to do that, I'm going to head over to the cell right here. And then I'm going to type in the following formulas. Equals upper, brackets open. And then you are going to type in the cell reference. So the cell reference right here, we're under column A, row 2. So I'm going to type in column A, row 2, and then I'm going to close the brackets. So when I did that, I'm going to hit on enter on my keyboard. And then after that, you see that the name is now in block letters. So now what if I want to apply it to the other names on the cells? So what I can do is to click on the first cell, and then at the bottom right corner of the cell, there's a small button right there. So what you are going to do, you are going to hover your mouse to the button, and then you can either drag it down like this, or you double click on it. When you do that, you get same result. So that's how to change to block letters. What if I want them in small letters? I can go back to the top of the cell right here again, and then I'm going to type in the following formula. Equals lower, brackets open, the cell reference, which is column A, row 2, and then I'm going to close the bracket again, and then I'm going to click on enter. So as you can see, the name is now in lowercase. So to apply it to other cells right here, I can simply drag it or I double click on it, whichever way you want. So that's how to change into lowercase. So what if I want to change it into a proper noun format? As you can see, these are names and they are supposed to be in proper noun formats. So what I can do is to type in the following formula. Equals proper, brackets open, the cell reference right here, which is column A, row 2. And I'm going to close the brackets and then click on enter. So right there you can see it has changed into a proper noun format. So to apply it once again to these other cells, I can either double click on it or drag it down. So that's it guys. So one thing before I jump to the next method, what if you want to get rid of the formulas you use in formatting the cell? So right now I've highlighted the cell. When you look at the formula bar right here, you can see the formulas I use in formatting the cell. What if you want to get rid of the formulas for some reason? So to do that, you're first of all going to highlight the whole of the cell, and then you're going to hover your mouse to the border of the cell. So when you're on the border of the cell, you're going to see an arrow pointing towards 4 different directions. So when you're on the border, you're going to right click and hold, and then you're going to drag the cells to the next column, and then you're going to drag it back. So when you drag it back, these options will appear, and then you're going to click on copy here as values only. So when you click on copy here as values only, the formula will no longer be there. So when you click on the cells, you can only find the content you typed in there. So that's how to change letter cases on Excel using formulas. So now what if I don't want to use formulas? If you don't want to use formulas, you can use the flash fill method. Now to use the flash fill method, so once again, let's say I want to change these cases into block letters. First of all, I'm going to take the first name right there, and then I'm going to type it on the cell in block letters. So after typing in Dennis Kadiri in block letters, I'm going to highlight the whole of the cell that I want to apply the fill. And then you can press Ctrl E on your keyboard, which is the keyboard shortcut to apply flash fill. Or you can go over to your fill button right here under your home ribbon. When you click on it, at the bottom you are going to find the flash fill button. When you click on the flash fill button, same thing is going to apply. So when you type in a sample, you are giving Excel an idea of what you want the format to look like. So it's going to detect it and then apply it to other cells. So what if I want to change it into lower cases? I can simply go over to my cell right here again, and then I'm going to type the name in small letters. And then I'm going to highlight the other cells. And then you can press on Ctrl E on your keyboard, or you can go over to your fill button right here under your home ribbon, and then you are going to click on flash fill. So when you do that, it's going to apply to other cells. So what if I want to change it into proper noun format? So I'm going to type it in proper noun format. And then I'm going to highlight again, press Ctrl E on my keyboard, or go over to the fill button under my home ribbon, click on flash fill. So there you have it. So that's it right there. That's how to change letter case on Microsoft Excel using formula or flash fill. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.